Hello everyone, welcome to the latest video introducing a new and legitimate mining platform, similar to Pi Network. This platform offers free mining opportunities, allowing you to earn money through cryptocurrency mining. NepEarning Network is an alternative mining platform with promising future earnings. In the future, you'll be able to exchange NepEarning Network coins for real money, making it a lucrative opportunity for miners. With minimal competition, NepEarning Network holds the potential for increased rewards, offering you the chance to enhance your cryptocurrency holdings through free mining. Join now and embark on your free mining journey by clicking the website link in the description. After joining through my link, you will be redirected to the NepEarning Network website. Once there, you can find the Download App option. Simply click on it. After clicking on the Download option, it will automatically redirect to a page displaying 3 download methods: the App Store, Google Play Store, and the Android download option. Proceed by selecting the Google Play Store. It will take you to the Play Store, where you should click on Install. After successfully installing the application, just open it and you'll see this kind of interface. To get started, enter your email address and set a strong password here. Next, type my referral code MEDAN23 here to instantly receive a bonus. After clicking on Sign Up, your account will be created successfully. Then log in with your Gmail ID and password. You can see this kind of interface. After logging in, enter your real full name and username in the provided spaces. Then click the Continue button. You can see this kind of interface. Click on the Start option to initiate the mining process, and your NepEarning mining will begin. You can initiate the mining process by clicking every 24 hours, and it will continue automatically. Make sure to begin mining NepEarning Network in a timely manner to take advantage of the current opportunity. Additionally, you can increase your mining speed by referring friends. Both you and your friends will instantly receive bonus points if they join through your referral link.
Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Don't forget to leave your comments and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for exciting videos coming soon. Thank you.